Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so crazy. It's March now and I know I've been MIA lately and I am so sorry for that. Right now, like, basically my whole house is getting redone at the moment, but I do have more videos coming soon. I have a lot of ideas that I want to get done. But today's video we are going to be doing first impressions on some products I bought. So I have a new foundation, I have a new powder, eyeshadow, I believe. Did I buy highlighter? I don't know if I bought a highlighter. I knew I got new lashes, a new eyeliner. I just have to say. It's not clicking in my head right now, but I got a lot of new stuff. I got a lot of new stuff for you guys. So let's stop all the talking and let's get straight into the video. Before we get deep into this video, I just want to say I did do the brows off camera because there's no new products I'm using for it. So I just felt like there was no need for me to show you guys it. But anyway, for primer, we are going to be using the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Dark Spot Correcting. It diminishes skin imperfections. If you just need to read it again right here. Okay? A little does go a long way, so I just took that much. Oh my god. Ooh, kind of has a scent to it, not gonna lie. It does have a smell. So now that the face is primed, now we are going to go on foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm using Coconut, which is the shade 355 right here. See right here, guys. Beautiful. And we're just going to put it all around the face. So let's see. I hope this is my shade. Oh. It looks a little light. Oh my god. Mind you guys, this was the darkest shade they had when I went to go buy it. So I do have it on my face. But, hold on. Let's just take a moment real quick. How this is the 370 I use. And then this is like the foundation stick. Like, do they match up? Like, do you guys think these match up? Like, this is a 555. Did I say 5 3 times? This is a 355 and this is a 370. Well, this is the foundation and this is the foundation stick. So, like, shouldn't it correlate, I guess? We're gonna see. I'm gonna blend it out. Come on, baby. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, it's actually blending in. So, as you do see, like, some parts are blended out. And then obviously I still gotta work my way on here. But right now I did get my nose. So it does look a little too light. I think I probably got the wrong shade. So it is all blended out now. Now we're going to move on to concealer. I didn't get anything new. So I'm still using the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer. And obviously I am a shade 6274. I'm looking at myself in the camera right now and I'm just like wondering why my eye looks red. Like, it looks legit red in the camera. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. So if you do ask me about it, I don't know what's wrong with my eye. But how's everyone's months going? Like, mine's just going okay, I guess. Like, I got big things going on soon, so excited about that. And I want to say, like, obviously, as you're watching the video, you might as well subscribe to my channel. And go down to the description and check out my social media and follow that. Thanks. So now, basically, we are going to go back in with our same damp beauty blender and blend out the concealer. So we get set it in place, ready to glow. Now, I am excited about this next part for setting powder because I have went to the store and I could not find it. And then when I went to the store recently, it was there. So I was literally in tears. We are going to go in with the Airpsun Loose Face Powder. I have seen a lot of makeup gurus talk about this. And I'm just happy I finally got my hands on it. Because, honey, I've been wanting to grab this, like, all my life. So obviously when we open it... Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Guys, it smells so good. Like, I'm shook right now. Like, this one I just can't stop smelling it. So I have my powder here, and we're going to use the Wet n Wild powder brush. And I'm just going to put the powder, obviously, over the concealer. Ooh. Now, usually I would do brows at this time, but obviously I did brows first. So we are going in with contouring. No new contour kit. I'm so sorry, honeys. I was going to buy a bronzer, but then I forgot. So we're just going to go right in the center right here with our contour brush, by the way. And then I'm just going to put them over the parts I put the powder on. If you don't do this, honey, guess what? We do our makeup different. Obviously, if you don't do this, everyone does their makeup differently. I just get serious flashback with powder, so that's just the reason why in contour settles it all down. You know what I'm saying? So now we are moving to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this eyeshadow kit from Walmart. I did do some swatches because I know you guys like first impression there's marks. Well, basically because I was swatching and basically it does leave a mark. Like I'll swatch right here. Do you see that? Wait, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Here, let's try this. You see that? Like you still see how it leaves my finger residues, like swatching. But it's supposed to be 104 colors or 103 is one of those. But I don't know if they're selling them still, but I did get this just for $10. $10, you guys. So I'm kind of thinking, $10? Is it gonna work? But we're about to see right now. We are about to see right now. So I kind of want to do a blue eye. So I'm going to go right here. Oh wait, what am I doing? I have to put concealer on my eyelids first. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. If you are new to my channel, I honestly don't use primer for my eyes. I use concealer. My makeup has always stayed on when I use concealer. I don't know why. It always worked for me. So, personally, I use it. So, now the concealer is blended out and we are ready to do eyeshadow. Like I said before, we're dabbing into this blue. Let me move up a little closer. We're dabbing into this blue. So now that we added that blue, I want to dab into this shimmer blue right here. There is a lot of shimmers in this one, so I don't know what, like, I'm going to get my hands off all of them. But I want to dab into this shimmer right here and just put it on top of the blue we just did before. Now, I don't know what to decide because right here, let me put it up more. Right here, this corner, there's a lot of colors I want to use in that. And it is first impression, so maybe I might, guys. So now we're going to go in with this blue right here. It does have a lot of fallout, this eyeshadow palette, but, you know, some palettes do and some don't. And we're going to... So it's sad to say that we have to change your plans right now. My camera did die in the middle of recording, so now I'm using my phone to do the recording. And basically, right, like I said before, we put in the blue right here in the corner of our eye, and now... And the shimmer right here at the corner, right? I'm going to dab into, so I'm going to use this brush. Oh my god, right here. And so like right here, we are going to use this color. Kind of upset. I wish like you guys could see more of the colors, and it's not like working. But we're going to add it in the corner right here. And then another color I want to dab into is this teal right here, and put it on my underline right here. So basically we're going to take this brush. I already added the teal on there, and then we're going to just put it right here underneath our eye. It actually came out good, not kind of. So I hope you guys can see that. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, can you see? Yeah, you can see it a little bit when I zoom in. I kind of might add black on the corner to give it more color. Like my eye look looks very boring and I'm not a big fan. So we are going back in with this, and we are going to dab into this black, and then we're just gonna add it in the corner of the blue. So this eye look is done. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, but this eyeshadow palette, I can't say it was a hit or a miss. Some of the colors weren't working as I was hoping to, but I mean, that's alright. Obviously everything isn't going to work to perfection, so I am glad to try this out. I probably will use it again because there are some colors I do want to mess with, and they do have a lot of pinks, so I do want to also like do more of a pink. I do like want to work with more pinks and just get that together. But other than that, it is cute. I am going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back with a new product. Hi guys, now we are back on the camera, and off my phone, now that the camera's working. I did lashes. There was no new lashes I had, so yeah, that was just really it. But I will link you the lashes I have on right now. But now for our last step, we are going to be using Maybelline New York Master Swabbing Liquid Illuminating Highlighter. I'm using 300 Deep Gold. And obviously it's a liquid, so I'm going to go in with, I might use a different beauty blender. I don't want to use this one. If I know, right here. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to, so here we go. And then, buff it out on the nose. Oh! It looks nice on the nose, but let's try the face. It's not that bad. I just wish it was more shiny. I don't know if it's me or not, but it's not giving me the radiant glow it just isn't giving me the glow I desire. And everyone knows I love a good glow. No matter what, it just isn't giving me what I want. Okay, so yeah, I gave up. So I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier highlighter. I believe this is Seduction, if I'm correct. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia A23 brush. And we're going to highlight, okay? Now that this look is done, it's time for some setting spray. This is Hard Candy product. It's a setting spray that lasts for 12 hours long. Ulta, Target, basically any drugstore in your area. I'm pretty sure you should be able to find this. But let's set. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, share the video around, tell your friends about it. I just want to say thank you for the 30 subscribers I have reached over last month. You are really like dearest to my heart, and thank you. I really appreciate it. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.